Hi everyone, Arpita here. Cutting our own hair is a skill. I'm sure many of you are craving for a haircut in this quarantine period. It's super cool to learn a new skill at home. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to cut your own hair at home. From past 2 years, I've been growing my hair. I just trim now and then, but I wanted long hair. My hair is not growing so good. It's all falling off. It looks very unhealthy, but the length is there. I've been thinking of cutting it for a while. I've posted my thoughts on Insta stories, and everyone, yeah, actually most of you guys said cut the hair, and there were pictures posted of my old hairstyles. You have selected some, so let's see if I can get there. I'm cutting my hair by myself. Let me show you how I'll do that. I've detangled my hair and put it in a high pony over here. Now I just need to decide how much length I have to cut. If we start off cutting very shorter, if we don't like the length, it will be very problematic. We can't grow it back immediately. But if we cut it a little longer, then we can cut it shorter if we want to shorten it. Okay, I've cut it. Okay, let's see how this looks. I can chop off a little more, but I can see I have nice steps over here. That looks fine. This length can go. This is the kind of length I wanted. So let's cut this side also. Now let's cut the front part. So I'm going to cut until my lip length. Let's keep this as guide and then cut a little length over here in an angle. I think I am fine with the length and everything. Washed hair with a little leave-in conditioner looks pretty fine. Yeah, time to style it. There you go, guys. This is my new haircut. After cutting the hair, I washed it, I applied leave-in conditioner and blow dried it. After washing, I realized there are some extra lengths here and there. I chopped those things off. I'm happy with this. I've saved so much money on a haircut, and it feels so light. It feels so relaxing for me right now. So let me know how you like my hairstyle in the comments below. Follow me on Instagram so you get to be part of all these kind of decisions on my Insta stories. You get to see nice pictures and my memories, my family on my feed. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you won't miss any future video notifications. Until my next video, bye.